Okay, good afternoon, doctor. Now I'm going to show how I do the data analysis. Okay. By the way, my name is Zhang Mengci, and my matrix number is GS71786. So actually, I don't use ChatGPT to help me to do the data analysis. So I do it on my own. Okay, so I won't show the ChatGPT part. I just focus on how I will do the operations on Excel. Okay. The first question I'm going to do is in the hard task, what percentage of people can finish the task in 30 seconds or less? So we just open our data. The first step is to delete the incomplete data. Okay. Sorry, my version is about Chinese, but I will explain to you how I do it step by step. Okay. So first one, we need to delete the incomplete data. We deleted 18. And this F is proper, so we delete it. That would be 71. And we just delete individually. Average. Now we have delete all the incomplete data. And next we'll click data and the filters. So we can know there are little arrows in every column. So we click this one, hard task, and we click number filters. Next is the less than and equals to. So because we're gonna figure out what percentage of people can finish the task in 30 seconds or less. So we just click this. We click the less than and equals to. Okay. So we give it 30. Okay. Then we will get these 5 data. We can know there are 5 people who finished the task less than 3 seconds or less. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we can get this 5%. So then we go back, okay, to the original. We can know that there are 78 lines, but without the first line, there are 77 participants who has completed the task. Okay, we can know the whole participants are 77, right? 77. Yeah. So next we're gonna open the calculators. It's 5 and 77. Okay. So this data, now we're gonna give it 100. So the final data, the average data is there are 6.49 percentage of people who can finish the task in 30 seconds or less. Okay. Okay, the next question is in the hard task, which L1 speakers take the shortest average time to complete the task? So look at this question, so we can know we need to know the which L1 speakers and the shortest average time. Okay, this two data is what we needed. So we just open our Excel. Actually, we need to do a pivot table. Okay, we select all data and we clicked insert and pivot table, new sheet. Oh my god, what's wrong? Maybe we should close the filter. Okay. Select all and insert pivot table. Yes. Why? Do I need to select this one? Okay, now I get it. So we need the L1 in the row and the hard task, the time to complete the hard task is in the column. Okay. And in the value, we still need a hard task. Okay, now we get this pivot table, but this is not the final one. It is the summary, the sum. Okay, in the first column, you can see it is the sum of all the data, but what we need is the average time. So we just to change it. Okay, the first one is to plus them all. Okay, the second one is to calculate it, and the third one is the average data. Yeah. Okay, so we can see in the last column, this is the average. This is average data that how this L1 language users to what's the time, what's the average time that the L1 language user to finish the task. Okay, there we can see the 44 and 60 and 30, 33, something like this. But we've noticed that there are two Chinese lines. So we just calculated Chinese first. I don't know why it does happen two lines, but it's okay. We'll just select these two. Yeah. So this data is what we need. 449452. Let's write it down. Chinese is oh, is it 5, 2? Yeah. So next we just selected English. English is much shorter than Chinese. English 33.61 612. Yeah. And next is India. The same, like the same. Yeah. And Malay. Malay is the most. Okay. 4-1. 410232. Four one zero 410232. Last one was Tamil. Besides that, there's one more others. I don't know what this language, but we just counted. Okay, others. So we can see from this our result. The English one, who takes the shortest time to finish the task. Okay, their average time is 33.660. Okay, so we can know in the hard task which L1 speakers take the shortest average time to complete the task. Yeah, actually is the English one. The people who takes English as their L1 language will take the shortest time, take the shortest average time to complete the task. That's the result is same like what I got just now. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching.